ready for the job interview?
Yes, sir.
So, tell us about yourself.
Good day, I'm Axel Panya, a caregiver student. I've experienced assisting with daily care tasks like helping patients and checking vital signs. I'm hardworking and passionate about providing comfort and proper care to others.
What do you think you are qualified for this position?
I believe I'm qualified for this position because I have the skills and knowledge I learned from my caregiving training. I know how to handle patients with care, respect, and I'm dedicated to giving quality service to those who need it.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is problem solving, teamwork, creativity, reliability, attention to details, and my weaknesses is overthinking, impatience, delegation, difficulty saying no.
What makes you stand out from other applicants?
What makes me stand out in my compassion and dedication to helping others. I always do my best to provide proper care with patience, understanding, and respect for the people I serve.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I see myself working as a professional caregiver, helping people who need care and support. I also want to continue improving my skills and gain more experience in healthcare field.
How do you handle stress, teamwork, or challenges?
I handle stress by staying calm and focused on my work. I work well with others by communicating and helping my team, and I face challenges with patience and a positive attitude to find good solution.
Why do you think it's important to show kindness and compassion to those you care for?
It's important to show kindness and compassion because it helps patients feel loved, respect, and valued. When we care with kindness, we make them feel safe and comfortable, which can help them heal and stay positive.
How do you make sure to listen needs and concern of those you care for?
I'll make sure to listen by giving my full attention when they talk and showing that I care about what they feel. I also ask questions if I need to understand better and respond in a calm and respectful way to meet their needs.